Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Went ahead and purchased this watch. Got the launch day discounts. I think it was $100 off, and they also gave me $100 to spend. I think that's how it worked. But anyway, with the extra discounts that I got with it, I got a watch band and the magnet wireless charger from Samsung. But I was really debating whether I should get this watch or not. I did have the original Galaxy Watch Ultra. I traded it in for the Watch Classic, and I kind of regretted that. I should have just kept it. But anyway, I traded it in, got a really good deal. I think they were offering $250 at the time, so got a good deal for this, and I absolutely love this watch. This rotatable bezel is just a game changer. And but I also liked the Watch Ultra. So when the 2 came out, I was debating whether or not I should trade this in for this, and I was back and forth. But apparently Samsung made a decision for me, because on launch day I wanted to see how much they were going to give me for this thing, and that wasn't even an option. I don't know what the reason was, but this wasn't even an option. So I made a decision just to keep it. I mean, for my day job, I do go to conferences and meetings, and this looks really, really nice when you're dressed up. Now, I got an athletic band, but if I know I'm going to a conference or something like that, I change this out to a leather band, and this looks like a really sophisticated watch when you have a really good watch face on here. So anyway, back to the Ultra. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So one thing I don't have to do is ship something back. I'm gonna go ahead and keep both watches. All right, so you got a charging cable. It says fast charging on here. All right, so here is the watch here. They say that this is a little bit sleeker than the one, but looks the same to me. But then again, I haven't had the watch, I guess, in almost 2 years. So, all right, what else you get? You get the watch band. This is the watch band I chose. Swap out with this one right here. I still got my old watch band from the Ultra 1, and they say that it still fits on here, but I'll try that out later. Let's go ahead and open this up. That's a really nice band here. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice. Looks better than I thought. Looks really nice on the wrist. You got the Samsung logo right here. Now, these are nice bands from Samsung, but man, they're expensive when you buy them from Samsung. Like this one right here is going for $85 on the Samsung site. That's expensive, because you know they're going to have knockoffs on Amazon in the next 2 weeks of these same bands, and you can get all the colors for $15. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this one up, see how it looks on the wrist. Very vibrant color right here. All right, again, got your Samsung logo right here. It says Ultra right here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Feels really good on the wrist. This one right here, it's showing right now for $76. Again, that's way too high for this thing. In 2 weeks, Amazon's gonna have all these colors of the same thing. But I think the older bands will fit on here, so those are already out. But I like this color here, so this looks really good also. So let's go ahead and start this watch up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and See if the phone recognizes it. Yep, there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my thing and connect this phone and get everything ready to go. All right, so I appreciate you checking out the video of this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. See you on the next video.